Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And you are facing any error in the OneDrive, so first click to start and type OneDrive. Okay, so this is right click to open location. Okay, no, again click to and type OneDrive, then right click to go to app, uninstall ping task locations. No worry if not getting here. So again click to start, go to setting, click to app, install app, then find out OneDrive, this one, and click to the dot. So click to three dot and uninstall, then yes. Okay, uninstall, then close, and next method to again install the OneDrive. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. How to download, guys, OneDrive? Open any browser, type Google search box, then type download OneDrive. First one from Microsoft. So you can right click to new tab and open the new window and then click to download. Now is start for the downloading. Then single click to open. Then click to yes for the administrator rights. We are getting ready for you. It is showing here. So it will come in the task bar, this one. So double click to open and just sign in and access your data from OneDrive. Thank you so much.